The 2023 7th International Moon Village Workshop and Symposium. Our goal is to create a space in which local governments, industry, and researchers can collaborate on the development and implementation of moon exploration activities. We want to facilitate discussions about all aspects of the creation of the Moon Village, from awareness to funding and research. The locations for the symposium would be Kurashiki and Tottori, Japan. These two areas are small villages, but they have the potential to contribute to the establishment of a human presence and society on the moon. The collaboration between the universities, as well as local programs and governments, will seek to create a shared vision of the Moon Village. We will support a space filled with open ideas for researchers, space agencies, and local governments to establish a shared vision of what a permanent presence on the moon might look like. Come visit Okayama and Tottori and join the 7th Moon Village Global Symposium. Holding the symposium in Japan helps to create a global awareness of the Moon Village Association and the benefits of having an international collaboration. We hope to foster the Moon Village vision to society at large and to engage citizens worldwide.